Alright, well this thing's going off. I heard it last night, I didn't know what the hell it was. Ah, something pulled that up. Might be short-circuiting. Let me check it out. Well, let's shut it off. Yeah, might be the end of that. Nice while it lasted, huh? Let's see. Maybe I can repair that. I don't think that's working. Yep. Either that or maybe the battery's dead. Probably battery's dead. Oh well. Had it for a while now. Since 2011, I think? 10, 11, something like that. It's supposed to have been waterproof. Maybe not. Not as much as I thought. Water probably got in there. Oh well. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.